Marco, how is it going over there?
It's going on well.
Let's go so we can finish up.
Yes.
You know, if we continue with this pace, we'll finish up early, before sunset.
Yes. We'll have few portions left to clear.
We need to finish up. You know Edakasa is waiting for us. We need to go to his farm and do justice to it. And you know that man is very, very impatient.
My brother, what can we do? It's not like we've been longing around. We've been working our fingers to the bone on Elder Kasa's farm.
You know, Edakasa knows that we are good workers. That is why he's always calling us. And we need to go deliver for him. You understand? Because he knows what we can do. But he's very, very impatient. That is the problem.
Jima, customers are always right. For our own good, we'll have to pet Elder Kasa to give us more time so we can join his farm. Remember, we're not the only laborers in this kingdom.
Marco, well, we'll go to Edakasa's farm tomorrow. We need that money. You know I have a sister to cater for.
Yes, I know. I know we don't need to miss that opportunity.
Let's walk.
We don't need to. Be careful.
Yes, no problem.
Ajima and Marco, you boys are wasting much time on this land. Eh? I am supposed to have been planting my crops by now. And you are wasting my time.
Edakasa, this land is a very big plot. You can see it. We are doing our best.
That is not what I have in mind. Eh? Look, you people are supposed to have finished the job by now. Eh? I can't condone laziness. I don't. Eh? Instead, you are giving me excuses here and there.
Edakasa, this land is supposed to be tilled in a week. We are doing it for 5 days. Because we want to be fast. You are supposed to be grateful.
That is a big lie. My portion of land isn't that big. You are supposed to have finished this in 3 days' time. Because you have wasted my time. I won't be paying you your full wages on this work.
Elder Kasa, meaning what? You will pay us our full wages. Else what?
Else what?
Try not to pay us our money first. Marco. Try not to pay us. Else.
Marco, please, let us not escalate things. We'll do the job in 4 days.
No, Jima.
Please make sure you pay us our full wages. That is all.
Jima, we'll finish this work when we'll finish it. We're already working at a breakneck pace. You cannot promise what you cannot meet up with.
Jima, whenever I give you work, don't ever call this rough-head boy to come and do it with you. Look at it. He has no respect for others.
You think you can cheat us? We already know you. Every laborer in this kingdom has 1 or 2 stories to tell about you.
It's okay. Keep quiet.
That's why you go about cheating people out of their wages. Just try not to pay us our complete wages and you will see.
Marco, calm down. Let's walk. He will surely pay us our wages.
How would he even promise him of something we cannot meet up with?
Let's walk. It's okay.
We'll finish when we'll finish.
He must pay us our wages. Let's walk, please.
It's fine. It's okay. Wicked man.
It's okay. Walk, please. Walk.
Four days. Jima, you promised him 4 days. When we have not even cleared half of the land. How are we supposed to finish that land in 2 days?
Marco, we can do this. This is not the first time we are seeing people with ridiculous demands.
Elder Kasa should not even try me with my money. Because I will not let him cheat me.
Marco, calm down. You and this your hot temper. Just calm down, my friend. Come on, sit down. Let's relax a little.
You were busy there promising him 4 days.
Don't worry about that. Forget about that.
Welcome, brothers.
Mira, How are you?
I'm fine.
My beautiful sister, how are you doing?
I'm fine. I love watching you too. Your friendship is so strong. And I wish to have a friend like you when I grow up.
Do not worry yourself, Mira. Soon you'll have one. But always remember to ignore their excesses.
Marco, who is ignoring whom here? Tell me.
Mira, you know that your brother is the stubborn one.
I know. Let me get you something to eat.
Don't worry yourself. I should be on my way now.
Remember to come tomorrow.
Please, 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 Jima, don't pressure me. You were the one that promised what we cannot meet up with.
I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Tomorrow then.
Bye. Cat and rat.
My beautiful sister, do you have any food at home to eat? I'm hungry.
Yes. Let me get you something to eat.
Keep it. I'm here, okay?
My love.
My love.
Welcome. Please sit.
I am sorry I kept you waiting.
It's fine. I've been waiting for you.
I had a long day at work. And after a long day at work, there is nobody else I will see first, if not you, my love.
So tell me, how was work?
Work was fine, just that Elder Kasta is the issue here.
What happened?
He said that he will not pay us in full because we did not meet up to his ridiculous deadline.
Is he mad? I mean, is something wrong with him? If the work is that easy, he should go and do it himself.
Exactly my point, my love. And the most annoying part is that Jima promised him that we'll finish in 4 days. How is that even possible? When we'll have not gone half of the farm?
Jima should take it easy. He should try to calm down. He likes pleasing people. And they are going to take his kindness for granted. And that will make them take advantage of him. Elder, whatever he calls himself, he shouldn't even try it. He will pay you your money. My love, it's okay. Sweetheart, don't worry. He's going to pay you in full. You have nothing to worry about. Smile for me.
You know, that is why I love you. You are my rock. You are my strength. You are my everything.
And you know I love you too. I mean, I love you so much. And I can't wait to be your woman.
I cannot wait either. I cannot wait to be your man. And soon I will come and see your mother to pay your bride price.
And you know my mother can't wait to receive you. And once I become your woman, I'll cook for you, clean for you, wash for you, and most importantly, I'll cuddle you.
My love, you are going to spoil me when we get married. Won't you? I know.
Absolutely. You
I
know,
know.
right?
I know.
Zara, come here. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing? Did I hear you say nothing? Where are you taking that food to?
I'm taking it to Marco.
Marco? That young man that has refused to pay your bride price or even visit me. You're taking food to him. Is that not foolish? Zara, why can't you be wise as me? I did not waste my time gallivanting around young men. I focused on my life and married a good husband. Why don't you do same?
Mother, it's not like that. Marco loves me so much. And I love him too. And I know that very soon he will come for me.
Soon? When will that soon be? Zara, very soon you will grow old and become unattractive. Maybe then you will understand what I've been telling you.
Mother, I know that Marco is not going to leave me for anyone. He's going to come for me soon. He loves me.
Zara, that's your concern. You can go. But do not say I did not warn you. Every day you'll be taking my food to that ungrateful young man. Food that I worked so hard to provide for us. And the painful part, he will give you nothing in return for us to replace it. Is that responsible?
Zara, how are you?
Zara, my lover.
Hey.
My favorite.
Yes.
Thank you for the food, my love.
You're welcome.
Zara, thank you for the food you brought for us.
And which one is thank you, Zara, for the food you brought for us? Did my woman bring food for you? She brought food for me.
I know what you're trying to say. You're telling me to go and get a woman that will bring food for me.
Exactly what I am saying.
I've heard you.
Yes.
For now, come, let us eat.
Marco, I want us to talk.
My love, please, let me eat first.
Please just align it first.
No, please, I can't wait. I can't stay here any longer. Let's talk.
Fine. Jima, please don't eat that food till I am back.
Hi!
I said do not eat it.
Beautiful!
Jima!
Yeah? Go, go, go.
Jima! I said you should not eat the food.
Bye-bye. Woo!
My love, what is wrong? You look disturbed.
When are you coming to see my mother?
Is that the reason you are moody and did not allow me to eat my food?
Isn't that enough reason, Marco? Listen, my mother is beginning to say things, and it's making me doubt your intentions.
Zara, may the gods forbid if I am lying or trying to deceive you. I love you so much. You are meant for me.
Then come and see my mother. Come and tell her, let her know that we are serious. See, Marco, time is no longer on our side. And if you don't hurry up, I might get married to someone else.
My love, I will come and see your mother. I promise.
You promise?
Yes, I'll come and see her.
I'll be waiting.
That's the mood. That's my beautiful. I like that. And now, can we go before Jima will finish the food?
Okay.
Let's go. Jima! I told you not to finish the food! Jima, there is something I need us to talk about.
Talk about. What is it, my friend?
Zara wants me to come and see her mother and perform the marital rites. She has been saying that to me, but I have been putting it off.
There is nothing wrong with that. You have been with Zara for 1 year now. She's beautiful. So that is the right thing to do.
Yes, I know. I know that very well. Just that I've been having a cold feet.
Cold feet? Why? Let me ask you a question. Do you love Zara?
Yes. I love Zara so much and I want to be with her.
Then go on and do it. Marco, you are not getting any younger. And look at Zara. She is beautiful. She's a gem. You better do that fast before somebody else will come and marry her.
You're right. In that case, I need to act fast. I need to act like a man.
I'm here for you. We'll go through this together. Come on. Let's go.
Thank you, my brother. Let's go home.
Marco,
Jima, Mira,
I see you are busy.
you're welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you doing, Mira?
I'm fine, thank you.
So, what are you two doing here?
Is it bad to visit my brother?
Of course not, my brother. Jima!
What is this?
Hey, I missed it! Do you remember when we used to play with these as children?
Yes, it will hit your mother and she will start shouting at us.
She would seize it, would beg,
Yes.
promising her never to throw it again.
Remember my skills.
Come on! I think I've lost my touch
I know.
because I'm no longer a
So many
child.
beatings.
Come on! Ouch! Look at Jim.
Come on.
You know, I have always admired their friendship. The two of them are inseparable.
I wish I had a friend like that. But I don't have any friends.
It's fine, Mira. You know, not everyone is as lucky as them. Okay?
What do you think that is?
Well, I think it's because they've been friends since childhood. Their bond is so strong. It's unbreakable.
Come on.
You know I always admire your beauty. Your beauty captured my heart.
You know, I love the friendship between you and Marco.
Yes. Our parents were good friends when they were alive. Jima's mother will bring him to our hut and my mother will do the same. As we grew up, we started visiting each other on our own.
That's beautiful.
And our parents used to call us brothers and ask us to see each other that way. Until this day, Jima has been my brother.
I pray nothing comes between you two.
Nah, nothing will ever come in between us. We have had our differences in the past, and we always settle them. And we will continue to do so.
I love that. I'm happy to hear.
Thank you. And that reminds me, Zara. I want you to tell your mother that I will be coming to see her this weekend.
What? Why?
Okay. I am ready to get married. I am ready to settle down. And the one I want is you.
I have been waiting to hear this. I love you so much, Marco.
I love you more. I love you.
Thank you so much. Oh, you know, my mother can't wait to hear this.
I know. So, when you get home, just tell her that Marco is coming to pay for your bride price.
I will do just that.
So...
Why are you smiling so much?
Mother, Marco has finally decided to come and see you.
Is that why you're so happy? Because Marco has finally decided to do the right thing. After wasting your time for so long.
Mother, please. Don't kill my joy. Just be happy for me.
There is nothing to be happy about until he pays your bride price. Until then, he's just wasting your time.
Mother, please calm down. He already said he's going to come and pay his respect. Then after that, he will come with his people to do the right thing.
Fine. Let him come. And I will tell him to his face to hurry up. Instead of having my daughter for free.
Mother!
What?
Am I lying? Mother,
Will you shut up? If I slap you quiet. For the fact that I've been keeping quiet does not mean I don't know what is going on. Now get inside. Wait. When did he say he's coming again?
very soon.
Fine.
Jima, this is the fourth day. You promised me that you will clear the whole of this place as I gave you. Huh? As it stands now, that is the only place you cleared. What happened? Huh? Why the delay?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to fail my promise. The land is not what you think. It's very big. You can see. But it's just remaining this small portion. And by tomorrow we'll finish it up. Please.
Remember, that is not the agreement. That is not your promise. Because of this, you will not be getting your full payment. I won't release your full payment.
You lie!
Huh?
I said you lie! Elder Council, don't even try me with my money. Don't even try it. I swear by the gods, if you do not pay us our complete wages by tomorrow, the earth will fall. Because we will not suffer to work for you for 5 days on a job that is supposed to take up to 1 week or even more. And you are here trying to cheat us. Just try not to pay us our money tomorrow. You will see. Wicked man. Can you imagine what this man is saying?
That's fine, that's fine. Tomorrow I will release your full payment. But try and finish the work early tomorrow. And so that I can start planting by that tomorrow. You see, the job is delayed already.
It's okay, thank you. We'll work now, thank you.
Keep working. Tomorrow, early.
The money you get tomorrow, you will get it.
Go and get it ready.
You get it. Tomorrow.
Sometimes, anger and hot temper is very good. Because look at it now. Just paid off. And Edakasa just agreed to pay us the full money tomorrow.
My friend, see, it's not always good to play cool. Sometimes you need to show these people that you are not a pushover. Especially people like Elder Casa. This greedy man. He's very greedy. By tomorrow,
hot-tempered.
wait, tomorrow he will pay us food.
That is
Don't
it.
worry.
Let's walk, let's walk.
You want to come and cheat me?
I said it will not work, I say. Hot temper
I
is
will
good.
spit on your face.
Very soon I will have hot temper like you. Let's go, let's go.
Greetings, Ma Jumaima.
Greetings. Please sit.
Thank you. I apologize for not coming sooner. I was trying to get ready on my end, but now I am here to state my intentions.
That's very good of you, Marco. I've always told Zara here to act fast and not be deceived by a man. She's my only daughter, and I will do everything within my power to protect her.
I understand. I assure you, my intentions are pure.
Marco, when are you coming with your people to properly ask for my daughter's hand in marriage?
Soon. I shall go home and inform my uncles to fix a date that is convenient for them. And I will inform Zara of the date.
Good. Hurry up. There is no time to waste.
I will, I promise.
Good. It is not night for one to have a visitor without giving them food. Especially the one we were informed before they come. I made food. Let me get you some to eat.
Very well then. Thank you very much.
I am the last of my kind. I am Zina. Omini Owes Mosmore.
Thank you very much, Ma Jumaima.
You're welcome.
I enjoyed my meal. Ma Jumaima, I will have to take my leave.
Oh, okay. Mother, let me see him. Oh, okay.
I will see you some other time, Ma Jumaima.
Zara,
Mother.
make sure you come back in time and get the matches from me.
Alright, Mother, I will. Thank you so much, Marco. Thank you for making me the happiest maiden in this kingdom. At least my mother will be very happy and she will stop nagging.
My love, this is something I would have done earlier. But I am glad I did it now.
And soon, you will inform your uncles and they will come and pay my bride price. And I will be your woman forever.
Yes, my love. And soon, we'll be man and wife. And we will not have to miss each other again.
Yes, I can't wait.
I know. But for now, you need to go back. Your mother will be waiting for you.
Alright. I love you so much, Marco.
I love you too. I love you with all my heart.
I love you too, Marco. Alright, so I'll be leaving.
Bye.
Bye.
What happened to you?
I tripped and fell. I think I dislocated my bone.
Sorry. Sorry. What can I do to help you?
I was actually going to my aunt's place. So, and it's a bit far from here. I need to just rest a bit. Then maybe get somebody that can attend to this. Just massage me.
Okay, my hut is not far from here. Maybe I will take you there to help and massage you before you continue your journey.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Let me help you. Okay, sorry.
How are you doing? Please, Mira, you need to eat. And you need to be strong also. Come on, eat. Don't worry. Very soon I'll go to the herbalist and get some herbs for you. You know, you are all I have. We are here for each other and we must take care of each other.
Sorry.
Easy.
Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you.
You'll be fine. Sorry.
Easy.
Sorry.
Easy. Yes.
Sorry.
Yes.
It's not broken. You'll be fine. Sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Sorry.
What am I going to do now? This leg feels broken. There's no way I'm going to be able to walk with it. And I need to get to my aunt's place today. It's already getting late.
You can spend the night here today. Maybe you will go tomorrow when you are fine.
No. I don't want to inconvenience you. I will just manage my leg like this.
No, I don't have a problem. Alright? You will go tomorrow and I will make sure you are fine before leaving. Please. You need to be fine first.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Should I massage it more? Sorry. Sorry.
Greetings.
Greetings.
Excuse me. My name is Jima, and you are?
My name is Zina.
Zina, you're so beautiful. Where have you been hiding?
You have a sweet tongue.
But that is the truth. I won't lie to you. And what brings you to our kingdom?
I came to visit my aunt.
I would like to see you again. How can I make that happen?
If we are meant to see, we will see.
Zina, I will find you. I will find you. Zina, I will find you. Marco!
Jima,
Marco!
why are you so happy? Meanwhile, you did not keep up to the time today. What happened?
Marco, I met someone.
Is that why you're happy? Because you met someone who captured your heart. Jima, it's about time. You deserve to be happy.
Thank you.
Congratulations. But then, Jima, we cannot let our personal life interfere with our work. We cannot afford to let what happened with Elder Casa repeat itself. Hmm?
Marco, let's go to work.
That's the spirit.
Let's get to work.
I like that. You can start from there.
Where?
There.
Yeah?
Yes. I'm already done with this side. Jima, Jima!
Hey! Hey!
Jima, my brother. Zina,
Welcome, Marco.
thank you. What brings you to my hut?
I came to say thank you for the other time. You helped me when I hurt my foot.
Oh, Zina, you shouldn't have bothered coming. I did what everyone else could have done.
Not everyone can be like you, Marco. You are just selfless and kind.
Thank you. So, how is your aunt? I hope you got to her place safely.
My aunt is fine. Thank you for asking. So, I am new in this kingdom and don't have any friends yet. I was thinking, would you mind being my friend?
That is not a bad idea.
Really?
Yes.
So maybe we can take a stroll sometime.
Of course. Why not? It's okay by me.
It's fine by me too.
Very well then. Please. Have a seat. Let me get you something to eat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mira, why are you not getting better? Does it mean that the herbs I got from the herbalist is not working or what?
Greetings. Greetings.
Zina,
Greetings.
what brings you to my home? And how did you know I live here?
It's not hard to find you. I asked questions.
Zina, you're welcome.
Thank you. What's wrong with her?
My sister has fever. And it seems the herbs I got from the herbalist is not working.
I think I know what's wrong with her. When next I'm coming, I'll get something that will help her.
Please do, Zina. Please. She's the only family I've got.
I won't forget.
I will
It's
be
not
happy.
I won't forget. Trust me, her health is important to me.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Mira, please, I'm coming. Let me see Zina off, okay? I'll be back.
Sorry.
I'm coming.
Brother, I don't like that lady.
What do you mean? Why don't you like her?
I don't know. There is something about her that seems off.
But Mira, you don't even know Zina.
I know. I just want you to be careful. Or better still, stay away from her.
Look, Mira, that maiden is the only maiden I've liked. And I cannot dislike her just because you don't like her. So if you don't like her, you are supposed to give me reasons not to like her too. So since there is no reason, don't forget about it. Nothing will happen to me. I'm fine.
I stopped by to see what you do.
There is nothing much to see. I am just clearing the land for the owner.
Looks like a very big one for one person.
Yeah. Jima and I always work together, but he did not show up today because his sister is not feeling fine. So he stayed back to look after her.
That's good. It's kind of you to work to cover up for him.
Jima is not just my friend. He's my brother.
Okay.
Thank you.
Greetings, Jima.
Zina, thanks for coming.
Mira, greetings. This is the herb I told you I was going to bring. So you will just prepare it for her so she can take it. She'll be fine.
Zina, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Mira, you take these herbs, okay? Let me go prepare it for you.
No, I won't take it.
Why won't you take it? Zina bought it specially for you, Mira.
Brother, I will stick to the medicine the herbalist gave to me. If I don't get well, maybe it's what the gods want.
Mira, let him prepare this for you. You will be healed in no time.
Mira, you are all I've got, please. Let me go prepare it for you. Zina, thank you very much.
Zara! Zara!
Yes, mother. Mother, you called.
Sit down. I want to talk to you. When did Marcus say he's coming with his family again?
He said he will talk to his family and they will fix a date.
How long does it take to tell family and fix a date? It has been 2 market days. We have not heard from him or seen him. And you're feeling reluctant about the whole thing.
Mother, it's not like that. I know he will definitely come for me. I know that he's not going to leave me.
Zara, you're so stupid. Can't you see that Marco is deceiving you?
Mother, he's not deceiving me. Marco loves me so much and I love him too. We both love each other, Mother.
Okay. When last did you see or heard from him?
I haven't seen him.
This is exactly what I am saying! Marco is just using you. He's deceiving you. And you're too blind to see it.
He's not using me. I love him so much. He loves me too.
May that love kill you there. May that love kill you. Get out.
Zina, this past week has been incredible. You made me feel happier than I have ever felt before.
You have brought so much joy to my life, Marco.
I really want this friendship to continue like this. I do not want anything to come between us.
Nothing will. You know, you're the only man in this kingdom that makes me feel the way I do. You make me feel seen and heard.
You make me feel the same too, Zina.
I love the way I'm feeling. I want this connection between us to continue. I want to explore it.
It will. Thank you for lighting up my world.
You do same too.
Marco, what is wrong with you? We haven't seen each other in a while, yet you don't seem bothered.
I've been busy with work. That's why.
Busy with what exactly? I have been here twice, yet I didn't see you. Marco, what is going on? What is it?
Which other work do you think I'm busy with? Farm work, of course. Or do you think clearing people's land is easy? And when I return, I am too tired to think of anything else.
I am sorry. I'm very sorry. It's not like I'm being unreasonable here. Just that seeing you these days is very scarce. We had an agreement. You said you were going to see your people and then get back to me so that I can tell my mother when you people are coming. But till now, you haven't said anything.
That is one problem with you, Zara. You're always selfish. You always think about yourself, forgetting about how I feel. Let me even ask you, is marriage by force? Is marriage a do or die affair? I will marry when I'm ready. As for now, I am not ready.
Why are you raising your voice at me? Did I say anything wrong? Okay, I'm sorry.
Zara, I had a very stressful day at work. I need to go in and rest.
I can help you do some chores.
Maybe you should go. I'll come and see you later. Or you come back. I need to go in and just go. Alright? Go. I'll come and see you. Zara, go.
I will.
Okay.
Marco.
Greetings, Mira. Is your brother at home?
He's not home. But I will tell you this. My brother might not be able to see through you, but I can. You are not a good person. And there is something about you that screams evil.
Now you listen. We are not mates. And there's absolutely nothing you can do to stop my relationship with your brother. You see your brother? He is in my palm.
I will make my brother see through you.
Zina! You're welcome. Mira, why didn't you tell me Zina is here?
She just got here.
I don't want to be here. Let's go out and talk.
And let's go.
Marco, something about him feels off.
I said it. Didn't I? I've always told you that Marco is playing with your heart. Now it has happened.
Mother, you're not even helping situations. You didn't even ask me what the problem is. You're already getting angry.
What is there to ask when I already know what you're going to say? Okay. What happened?
I went to see Marco. I told him about the marriage. I reminded him of it. Marco got angry. He started shouting at me. He told me that marriage is not a do or die affair. That he's going to get married when he's ready. I don't know where all this is coming from. I don't know.
Where else would it not come from? I have always told you that there is something about Marco that doesn't sit right with me. Zara, Marco will never marry you. Stop deceiving yourself. He's only using you. Come to think that you rejected all your suitors. Those men that came to ask for your hand in marriage. Men who are ready to care for you and provide for you. You rejected them all because of Marco.
Why are you saying all this to me? This is not the right time to do this. I am going through a lot already. And who knows, Marco might be going through a lot, or maybe something is happening to him that we don't know about. You're already jumping into conclusions.
Keep on deceiving yourself. Until you see Marco bring another maiden into his heart. That is when you will understand what I've been telling you. Just look at her. I thought I gave birth to and nurtured someone that is wiser. But I was wrong. Zara! Zara!
Zina, from the first day I met you on my way to the farm, I knew you are my woman. So, I would love, care and respect you if you are agreed to start a relationship with me.
Zina, you've made me so happy this period. You mean the world to me. I want to start a relationship with you if you will say yes to me.
Yes. Yes? Zina, I will love you forever. I will love you forever. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will always love you, okay? Thank you, Zina.
Yes.
You said yes. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I will love you forever. You're my soulmate. You are my all in all. Thank you very much. Thank you, Zina. I love you.
Oh my God. Alright, cool. Why are you so happy?
You look happy too. What is the secret?
I finally told my woman I love her, and she feels the same way too.
Ah, that is great. I am happy for you, Jima.
Thank you, my brother.
I am very happy for you.
Thank you.
So tell me, Jima,
Yes.
when are we going to see this mystery woman of yours? Because every time I come to visit you, she's usually nowhere to be found.
You will see her very soon. Very, very soon you will see her. Don't worry.
Very well then.
And what about you? What is making you this happy? Because you have been dating Zara for long and it's not a new thing.
Let us get to the farm first.
You don't want to tell me?
Yes, let us go.
You have not told me when you are going to see Zara's mother.
I'll tell you.
You better give me the date so I will know. Tell me when you're going to see Zara's mother.
Marco.
Zara, what are you doing here?
I came to see you.
What is going on?
Let's talk, please.
You better come back, let's walk. Come back, let's walk.
Come in.
Do fast and come back.
Marco, I am sorry for upsetting you the other day. I didn't mean to. I'm very sorry.
It's alright, Zara. If that is why you came, then you need to go back. I have work to do.
Marco, what is going on? What are you saying? What is going on with us? I don't understand you anymore.
There is nothing to understand, Zara. I have moved on. I fell in love with another maiden. Can I go now?
What are you saying? What do you mean by you fell in love with another maiden? Marco, we are supposed to be planning our marriage. We are meant to be.
Zara, I do not have time for your nagging. I have to go now, please.
Marco, how am I nagging? Marco! Marco!
Marco, what is going on between you and Zara?
Jima, it's none of your business.
Marco, wait. Why would you say that to me? I have seen both of you together. And your love for each other is out of this world. It's unbreakable. Marco, you are acting strange. Tell me, are you in love with another woman? That would be unfair to Zara.
Jima, face the work that pays you. Elder Casa wants us to finish this work before tomorrow. So we need to get to work.
Marco, is unfair. Remember my words, that would be unfair.
Mother! Mother!
What is it?
Mother, you were right. Marco's left me for another woman.
I said it. I said it. But he will not treat you this way and go scot-free. Marco, you will not use my daughter and go scot-free. I will teach you the lesson you will never forget. Do not cry. You are a beautiful maiden, sought after by many. You remember Kato? He's still asking for your hand in marriage. And you also remember Tefa. He's still interested in marrying you.
Mother, I love Marco so much. I don't want another.
Zara, love is built. You can get someone else and fall in love with the person. Marco is not worth the trouble. You deserve better. Go inside and rest.
Marco, you did this. Come on. Ah. What? No, don't do that. Don't do that. Ah, it's painful. Stop! Zina. Come on. Come on. No! Come on. Come on, continue. What is wrong, Zina? What is wrong?
I forgot. I'm supposed to run an errand for my aunt. I just remembered.
Zina, but we're having a good time.
Zina, I have to go.
Let's continue. Why?
Don't worry, I'll see you some other time. I
Zina! Zina, come back! Zina, wait!
Brother, there is something off about that meeting. It smells of evil.
Mira, shut up! You don't talk to the maiden I love that way. And besides, she's not your mate.
I was hoping to see this mystery woman of yours.
Marco, you are welcome. You'll see her very soon. She just left here now. She went for an errand for her aunt.
Zina or whatever her name is. She acts strange. All of a sudden, she springs off and runs out of this compound. Mark my word. That maiden is trouble.
Continue what you are doing. When elders are talking, don't talk. And she's not your mate.
Everything is fine.
My brother.
Marco! Where is that stupid boy that think he can use my daughter and dump her? Marco! 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 Oh, you think you can use my daughter? Oh, you're here. Marco. Marco, what did you say to my daughter?
Greetings, Jemima.
You hold your greetings to yourself. What did you say to my daughter? That got her broken, that she cries all day. You promised you were going to bring your people to pay her bride price. What's changed?
What changed is that I fell in love. I met another maiden who touched my life.
You must be very mad to say this to my face. You have the guts to say to my face that you've gotten another maiden? Who do you want to leave my daughter for after using her?
Jemima, I have not done anything wrong. After all, we used each other.
You just, oh, I said it. You're mad. You are very, very mad. I said it.
Jemima, what are you going to do?
I'm mad, man.
Jemima.
I'll kill you today. I'll kill you. I'll kill you today.
Jemima, please leave my home.
Why do you have her? You have used her.
What could mother have said to him? I need to apologize. I need to tell him I didn't send her. How do I even start? How do I start? How do I start apologizing? How do I tell him I didn't send mother? What if he's still angry? Oh. Who even sent mother in the first place? Who sent her? Now she has ruined everything. She has ruined it. What do I say to him?
As beautiful as you are, you just came to my room. It's magical. Who am I? I'm ready to face whatever thing that will come out of it. Indeed. They can only call us that on Instagram. That's
Marco! Who is this maiden?
What kind of stupid question is that? Can't you see that we are enjoying each other's company?
How dare you? Marco, how dare you speak to me in such manner? Marco, this is not what you promised me. What has come over you? What are you doing with this thing, Marco?
Do not refer to the love of my life as a thing. Now leave my heart. Leave my heart and never come back to me again.
You're very stupid. Marco, I am sorry, but you're very stupid. I came here to apologize on my mother's behalf. And that sight? Marco, what did I do? What is my crime? What did I do to deserve this, Marco? And you, leave this place. Get out!
Don't try it again. Don't you ever try that nonsense. Now leave my heart this minute.
I am not going anywhere. Get out!
I said stay away from me. Leave my heart
Marco,
now.
I'm not leaving. You leave this place! Marco, leave me alone!
Leave.
Marco, you're not me!
Go. I am so sorry about that. She's just being jealous. I'm sorry. I don't have anything to do with her. I am so lucky to have you.
Marco, what is going on between you and Zara?
I don't want to talk about it.
Why? She came to my house in tears and she said so many things that I didn't understand. But I understand something. She is hot. What is happening?
Nothing much. I fell out of love with her. I am in love with another.
Why is it so? Both of you have been together. And she has loved you unconditionally. She lost all the suitors she has because of you. Why are you doing this to her? It's not fair.
Her name is Zina. She has been my sunshine for a while now.
Which Zina are you talking about?
Zina, of course. The maiden I fell in love with.
Zara mentioned that the other day. That she's the one tearing you both apart. But I didn't listen to her. I didn't believe her because I thought she was just hot.
Jimmy, what are you talking about?
Zina is the same maiden I've been telling you about. The one I'm in love with.
No, she cannot be. Maybe you are talking about another Zina.
I'm not sure about that. But Zara confirmed that she's the same person. Even though she denied it.
Jimmy, what are you talking about? Why are you trying to spoil the one time I have found love?
You are the one spoiling things, Marco. Yes, you have a maiden that loves you. A maiden you once loved. Now you want to take away my experience of love. You want to take away the only maiden I love. Why?
And how am I supposed to know that you had something with her? I met her and we fell in love.
Now that you know, can you leave Zina for me?
May God forbid! I will never do a thing like that.
Marco, you are wicked. You are very wicked, Marco. You are the wicked one. You are wicked.
I am telling you that you are the wicked one.
Marco, you are wicked.
Stay away from Zina. Jima, stay away from Zina. Jima, you better come back here so we can finish this work. Jima.
Your face is not bright. What is wrong with you?
There is nothing to worry about. I am fine.
Is it something to do with Zina?
Why would you think that? Why would you think Zina has something to do with my mood? Why?
Brother, you don't have to shout at me. I was always looking out for you. Besides, there is something about that maiden that doesn't feel right.
Yeah, leave my presence. Leave there before I lose it! Leave! Malcolm.
Wait.
What is it? Zina, what is it?
Why did you walk out on me like that? Why are you ignoring me?
I'm supposed to be the one asking you that question. What is going on between you and Malcolm? Are you playing us?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Zina, Zara mentioned it the other day and Marco confirmed it that you are with both of us.
Marco is just a friend. He was the one that helped me out when I had injury on my leg. That's it. It's just unfortunate that Zara does not understand the whole situation.
Just a friend?
Yes, I promise, that's all. See, the truth is Marco is the one that is actually trying to push himself on me. And I've told him I don't want, but he keeps disturbing me.
Zina, then you need to go clear things with him. He sees you more than a friend. You need to let him know that he's just a friend to you, because that is causing problems now.
It's alright, I'll handle it.
Zina, you know how much I love you. I would not want anything to come between us.
Nothing and no one will ever come between us.
Zina, what is going on? I just found out that you are going out with my friend Jima.
You are so possessive. And I like that.
No, Zina. I cannot share you with anybody. Not even with my friend. Now you have to choose between us.
I choose you, Marco. From the very first day you took care of me when I hurt my foot, I choose you. You allowed me to stay in your heart. From that day, I have loved you. I choose you over and over again.
That sounds like a love music to my ears. Thank you for choosing me.
Always.
Thank you. Now my friend can stay out of the picture. Right?
Right.
Jima! I've spoken to Zina and she chose me. And I am warning you to stay away from her.
You think you can claim her like that? Zina told me you are forcing yourself on her and she sees you as a friend. Stop being delusional!
You are the one being delusional. She chose me. And I want you to respect her decision and our love. Understand?
That will not happen. She is mine. You are just being jealous. Why can't you be contented with Zara?
Over my dead body will she be yours. I will give you Zara. So you better leave Zina for me.
It's a lie. She is mine.
She is mine.
Zina is mine. No!
You know what?
What?
I am done with this friendship. I am done with this brotherhood. Everybody can go their separate ways.
Marco, to hell with you!
And to hell with you too.
You think I take the maiden I love? To hell with you!
The next time, I will pour spit on your face.
And I will pour spit on your face too! You think you can take the maiden I love? To hell with you! And I know it's the last comment of a fool. You better change now. To hell with you! Poof! To hell with you! Maku! Maku! Who do you think you are? You think you can steal the only maiden that I've ever loved? I will not allow that to happen. I'm telling you to leave her for me. And you are saying that our friendship is over. Our brotherhood is over. Maku, fine! Go! Go to hell, Maku! Maku, go!
Brother, what is it? What is the problem?
Mila, just go.
I am not going. From what I heard, you're having issues with Brother Marco. You both have been friends since childhood. You shouldn't let a maiden come between you two.
Mila, Marco wants to take the only maiden I've ever loved. And I'm telling him, he's telling me that our friendship, our brotherhood is over. Let him go.
Zina, she's the problem.
Yes.
I knew it. She's been playing two brothers all along.
What is it? Why are you so worked up?
You are the problem. You are tearing my brothers apart. Stay away from them.
Mila, stop it. Zina, can you imagine? I told Marco today at the farm that you chose me. And Marco started quarreling with me. That our brotherhood and friendship is over. Can you imagine? Zina.
Just that?
Yes.
I am here for you now. It's okay. Sit. Relax. It's okay. It's okay, relax. Relax.
I don't know why anytime we're together, I'm always excited.
I know. You're speechless.
What is going on here? What are you doing here?
Mira, what is the meaning of this? Why are you talking to Zina like that?
I came here because my brother was complaining about you in the compound. He was talking about your fallout. So I came to talk some sense into you. You and my brother have been friends since childhood. You shouldn't let a maiden come between you two.
So what are you insinuating?
I'm saying that Zina here was just with my brother. And now she's with you.
Is this true?
Yes. I went to Jima's hut to warn him about what happened at the farm. I needed to clear the air and also make sure that he's not having wrong ideas in his head.
That's a lie. You didn't go there to warn my brother. You went there for him. You even told my brother about Brother Marco.
How can a little girl like you call me a liar?
Mira, leave my heart. I already had a fallout with your brother, and I do not want to extend that to you. So leave.
This isn't over. Whatever your plans are, whatever your end game is, I'll expose you.
I only did the right thing.
You always do the right thing.
Brother!
Mila! What is it?
Where is Zina?
She went out.
Where did she go to?
She said she's going to Marco's hut to clear things up. Any problem?
That's not what I saw there.
What are you saying?
Brother, something has been bothering me.
What is it?
Zina was here with you when I left.
So?
How did she get to Marco's hut before me? She was so relaxed, like someone who has been there for a long time. And I didn't branch off anywhere. There's only one road that leads to Marco's hut. If Zina passed through there, I would have seen her.
Mira, what are you trying to say?
What I've always been saying. There's something about Zina that screams evil.
Mira, do you know if there are other shortcuts? Maybe she passed one of the shortcuts that you don't know.
Even if there was any shortcut, I was born in this kingdom. And I don't know of any. It's just only one road.
Mira, I am not in the mood for this.
There is something wrong somewhere. And I must find out. My brother is too blinded by love. He's my only family. And I won't let him perish in the hands of that lady.
Elder Bosan! What is going on here?
Are you blind? Can't you see? I'm about to start work here.
But we both came for this work.
Jima told me that two of you are not working together any longer. And to be honest with you, I would rather work with Jima. He is more reliable.
Reliable? You call him reliable? He's a thief!
You are the thief!
No.
You are the thief, yeah!
Marco, even if he's a thief, I would rather work with Jima than work with someone who is hot-tempered like you. Everybody in this kingdom knows that you are prone to outbursts.
Elder San, how dare you say that to me?
But that is true. It is Jima here who is dragging you along. If not for him, you will be lazy with the job. And that is what I don't want.
Oh. You think you are trying to run away from trouble? But let me tell you, that trouble you are trying to run away from has come to you. If I do not work on this farmland, Jima will not work on it either. Yes.
Do nothing. Try to stop me and see what
I said I will be the one to work on this farmland.
Stop me and see.
I should try you.
I will spit on your face.
I will force you to your face and I will beat you. I will beat you here now. Jima will do nothing. I will don't try me. I will force it on your face. Don't.
You
try it.
Just be careful.
Try me. You will do nothing. I will cut your head now.
You will do nothing.
Jima, I will cut your head.
I will beat you up.
Don't try me.
I will beat you up. You will do nothing. Is it not obvious? It's Marco, that bad friend of mine.
Brother, please don't say that. Don't say something like that.
I'm going to deal with him for daring to curse me.
Brother, Marco is your brother. He's your friend. And brothers fight and reconcile.
Marco is not my friend. He has crossed the boundaries. He's not my friend.
Brother, please. You shouldn't let a maiden come between you two.
I don't need the advice. I can handle this myself.
Okay. Go and take your bed. I prepared something for you.
I will take care of myself. Marco!
Two men are fighting for a maiden, and that maiden is not even you.
Mother, why are you saying this to me? Are you trying to make me feel bad?
Yes, I want you to feel bad. I want you to be ashamed of yourself. That maiden, Zina, has done what you cannot achieve. She has got two men fighting over her. And one of those men is supposed to be your husband.
Mother,
Now shut up. You should be ashamed of yourself. I thought you were. But right now, you are not worthy to be called my daughter. Go! Get out! You don't want to listen to the truth. How can you have all the right curves in the right places and you cannot attract a man for yourself? You can't get yourself a husband. How can you have a head that big with nothing inside? Zara!
Greetings, Zara. Zara, I want to talk to you about something.
what is it? Can't you see I am not in the mood?
Zara, I think Zina has some kind of hold on my brother and brother Marco. They're not acting like themselves. And it seems like she cast a spell on them or something.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care about Zina. I don't care about Marco. I don't care about the both of them. I just got done with my mother's ranting, please. I don't want to hear about them.
Sarah. Sarah, please.
I am very serious with what I just said. I said I don't care about Marco. I don't care about Zina. Please! I don't want to discuss anything concerning them. I am tired of all this, please. When you're done, you can leave Mira, please.
Brother, I want to talk to you.
I am not in the mood to talk.
Brother, please. Just listen to me. Don't say anything. Brother, I was 7 when Mom died. And Father died earlier. You and Brother Marcos have been the one taking care of me. You both stood in for our parents. I never felt the love because of you two. Brother Marcus has been there for you. He has been there for me too. I've always loved and envied your friendship. And I wish for a friend like yours. But not everyone is lucky to have a friend turned brother. Brother, you and Brother Marcus have come a long way. You both have been through a lot together. And now a maiden from nowhere is trying to tear you both apart. And she's succeeding. Brother Marcus isn't just a brother to you. He's a brother to me too. And I won't forgive you if you both don't reconcile. There are other beautiful maidens in this kingdom. Maidens who will love and be faithful to you, to one person, and not play both sides. Brother Marcus had someone who loved him. Someone who loved him alone. And he was ready to marry Zara. But all of a sudden, Zina appears from nowhere. Brother, isn't that suspicious? Brother, please. You have to reconcile with Brother Marcus and leave Zina behind. Please. She doesn't want your time and love. Please.
Marco. Marco.
What are you doing in my hut?
Marco, calm down. I come in peace. Marco, I'm sorry. We are brothers. We should not allow a woman come between us.
I'm sorry too. I do not know what came over us. Jima, we are brothers.
My little sister said something to me. Then I discovered I've been blind all this while. I almost lost my only brother.
What are we going to do?
We have to leave Zina behind. She's playing us. She knows exactly what she's doing. She can't control us anymore. We are brothers.
You are right, Jima. I will apologize to Zara and continue with the marriage plans. We are meant to be with each other.
Marco, that is the spirit. I wonder why you have been so blind all this while to know that Zara loves you.
But Jima, do you think Zara will accept me back?
How would you know if you don't give it a try? How? But one thing I know for sure is that Zara loves you.
Yes. She loves me. My brother Jima. I've really missed you.
Oh, my only brother. I miss you too.
You will go back to your hut. I'll come later and see you.
Okay. Okay. Are you sure?
Yes. I'll come.
My good brother. I almost lost you.
No, we'll never lose each other.
You're sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Make sure you come later, okay?
I will come.
I see you.
Jima, my brother.
Mother, I summon you.
Zina, why have you summoned me? Why are you disturbing my peace?
Mother, I have found love.
Love? You were sent to exact revenge on human, not to fall in love with them.
I know, Mother. I know. But I fell in love with Mako.
Not again, Zina. The last time you fell in love with human, you know exactly what happened.
Mother, this is different. I am going to leave Jima and focus on Mako. Mako is completely different. He loves me, Mother. He will not leave me for another. Please.
Fine, Zina, if that is what you want. But one more thing, don't come back crying to me when this human breaks your heart, because humans are not to be trusted.
I won't, Mother. I won't. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Mother. Thank you.
Zara, thank you for coming. I am very sorry for the way I treated you. I was blinded by my own foolishness and I hurt you. I wish you find it in your heart to forgive me so we can move forward.
Mako, you really hurt me.
I know.
You broke my trust.
I am sorry. I almost lost you and my brother along the process. But thanks the gods, I am back to my senses.
It's fine. I forgive you.
Thank you for forgiving me. And as you forgive me, I promise to come with my people to see your mother, to pay your bride price. Thank you very much. I love you more. I'm so glad that you're back to me. Thank you.
Male, Owiz!
I'm sorry I deviated from the plan, Mother. I am so sorry. Another mortal broke my heart again. Mako broke my heart. He chose another maiden over me. Just when I thought that I had met someone different, then the same fate befell me again. Mother, all men are the same. All men are the same.
Zina, what do you want?
It was Jima that first stopped liking me. He didn't find me worthy of his love. And then Mako followed. I want them to pay for breaking my heart, Mother. I want them dead. I want them dead!
So shall it be.
I am not interested. I told you before, me and my brother, we have agreed never to have anything to do with you. And I can't break that agreement.
I know. I just want to explain to you.
What in the God's name is going on here?
No, Marco, nothing is going on. Nothing.
Jima, you are very wicked. You asked me to stay away from her, but here you are embracing her.
Marco, it's not what you think. Allow me explain.
What do you mean?
Let me explain to you, Marco.
Explain what? Am I blind? I saw what happened. What do you
did
take
not
me
do
for a
anything.
fool or what? You are wicked.
Marco, don't push me
I
again.
said, what will you do?
Marco, don't push me again. Marco, sorry. Marco, stand up. Marco, sorry, stand up. Stand up, Marco. Zina, is he dead? Is he dead? Marco, stand up, Marco. Please, Marco.
What happened?
I don't know. He pushed me and I pushed him.
What did you do to him?
Nothing.
Brother Marco!
Marco, please, stand up. Marco, please. Brother. Marco, please stand up, please. Marco! Please stand up. Please, I beg you. Please stand up.
Zara!
Yes,
Zara.
what is it?
It's my brother and Marco.
What about them? What happened?
Something bad happened. You need to come with me.
Okay, let's go.
Marco, please. Marco, stand up.
Marco! What is going on? What happened to him?
I don't know what happened. He pushed me and I pushed him. That is all.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope he's not dead. Please, Marco, please, you have to wake up. Marco, please don't do this to me. Marco!
Brother, I don't know. I don't know.
Please, I'm calling you. Marco, please. Wake up!
Marco, please.
Marco, please don't do this to me. Marco!
Stand up. Marco.
My people, our law is very clear.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Any man who puts his fellow man to death must also suffer the same fate.
Yes. That is natural.
Jima here has committed an abominable act. He must face the consequence. I hereby sentence him to death. This sentence shall be carried out in 3 days' time.
Your Highness.
Take him away.
Look him up. Stand up.
Please. Mira, again, please.
He must die. For killing his friend, he deserves to die. Yes. Can you imagine?
My king. My brother is innocent. He didn't cause Marco's death. It was a manipulation.
Your Majesty, what is this little girl saying? Ha!
Oh. Unfortunately, child, I just can't take your words for it, just because you said so. How do you prove your innocence?
I will need you to give me 2 of your guards, who will bring the culprits to the palace.
Fine. Right there. Go with her. See where she leads you.
Thank you so much, my king.
Why would you do this, Your Majesty? Take a child's word for it?
I wonder.
Something tells me she's saying the truth. And as a king that I am, it is only fair that I give her the benefit of doubt. Let's wait and see how this turns out.
Say so.
Zina, your reign of terror ends today. Why did you do that to my brother and brother Marco? What did they commit?
Out of my way, child.
I will expose you. I will show the kingdom your true face.
You cannot do that. You're no match. Jima couldn't. Marco cannot. Everyone in this village cannot. They are in my palm, and I will do with them as I please.
Malate, 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 nda, malate, 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 nda, malate, 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 nda, malate, 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 nda. Zina, your evil deeds has brought shame and destruction to our kingdom. And this kingdom will no longer tolerate that. Your Highness.
By the powers vested in me as the king of this kingdom, I hereby stop you, Zina, from coming to this kingdom. Henceforth, you are never to be seen anywhere close to this kingdom.
Zina, time to go. Time to go, Zina. Go! Your Highness, the test of the freedom lies in the eating.
Jima, today is the third day wherein you are supposed to be put to death. But your sister has proven your innocence. You should forever remain grateful to her.
Thank you so much for listening to my sister. Thank you for being a just king. Thank you.
Justice has been served. Henceforth, evil will no longer be tolerated in this kingdom.
Take.
Yeah.
Take.
Thank you so much for saving my life. I owe you one.
You do not owe me anything, brother. I will always be there for you.
But how did you do it? How were you able to prove my innocence?
Let's just say I had a little help from the gods. lost of our land. Bear me witness. Fight for me. My brother is innocent. He was accused of killing Brother Marco. It's a manipulation. Please fight for me.
Your voice has been heard, my child. You are right. Zina isn't human. She's an evil spirit seeking for revenge on men.
What? But why?
She's seeking for revenge on a past heartbreak. Your brother and Marco fell prey to her plans.
Please, what will I do? I won't let my brother die.
Malade, 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 nda. Malade, 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 nda. Malade, 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 nda. Malade, 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 nda. I shall give you a substance. If only you can stand face to face with her. Sprinkle it on her and bring her to the palace. Take! Go, my child. Go. And remember, bring her to the palace. I shall be there on that day with you to conduct the rituals. Go, the gods are with you. Malade, 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 nda. Malade, 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 nda. Malade, 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 nda. Malade, 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 nda. Malade, malade, malade.
Sister, thank you so much. Whatever you say now, I will listen to you.
I know. So, take your water.
I owe you one. Thank you for saving my life.
Marco might have brought us pain by choosing another maiden over you. But I did not wish him dead. Not at this age.
Mother, you were right. Marco wronged us. But he still came back to me. He apologized. As a matter of fact, he was already planning to come with his people before his death.
I know. And I'm glad he did. It shows he has a change of heart towards you.
I don't know how I can cope with his death. The thought of not seeing him again.
I'm sorry, Zara. But that is life. We just have to learn how to live with the pain. I'm grateful that the culprit was caught. And an innocent man did not pay for a crime he did not commit. Zara. Zara, what is wrong with you?
What I don't know.
You don't know?
I've been feeling this way for some time now.
You've been feeling this way for some time. Zara, are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant. No, I'm not.
Zara, you are pregnant.
No, I'm not.
I think I know who might be responsible for this. Is it Marco?
Marco, I'm sorry for everything that happens between us. You were more than a friend to me. You are my brother. Marco, I'm so sorry. You may be gone, but can never be forgotten. Marco, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Brother Marco, you were not just an older brother to me. You were my brother from another mother. And it's quite unfortunate that you have to leave us so soon. I missed you so much.
Marco, my love. I know you may be gone, but a part of you still lives in me. Our child. I promise to take care of him. I promise to tell him about you when he grows. I promise you he will bear your name, Marco. I love you so much.
How are you sure he's a boy?
I am very sure. I can feel it.
It's okay. Crying cannot bring him back. It's okay.
Marco!
Please stand up.